In this video, I'm going to teach you how to host website on Google Workspace. In order to do that, head over to any browser that you have and then input right here sites.google.com. Now from in there, you'll be prompted to sign in into your actual Google account. You can input right here your Google account and click on next and then input your password. Or if you do not have one yet, just head over and click onto this create account option and choose in here which one you want to use it. So for example, just input in here the details that they will ask. So this is what Google Sites look like once you have successfully signed in. So as you can see, you can start a blank site or you can also start with a template right here. So on my case, I've already created these two sites. So I just want to host them on the Google Workspace. So in order to do this, let's head over and open in here this particular project. Now, if your website can be seen onto that particular gallery, that means that it can or able to be hosted onto the Google Workspace. So in order to host it all together, the first thing you need to do is just make changes that you want. And once you're done with this, as you can see, it actually has autosave feature. And if you want to publish it and host it, just head over and click on this publish option. Then it will show it right here. You can input your own web address, or you can get a professional domain and email, or use existing domain, or you can also try Google Workspace. If you click on this Try Google Workspace option, this will open in here this new tab for you to sign up for Google Workspace. So in this case, just input right here the domain name that you wish to choose once you have signed up. Input right here your contact info, your details, and the likes. Once you have done that, you can see this. You can get a new custom domain or set up using your existing domain. For example, let's choose this new custom domain and click on continue, and you can just head over and search in here for the actual domain name that you wish to choose. You can search for domain name and it will give you some domain extensions like .com, .org, .biz. You can just click on that and then buy it and host your particular site of this to that particular website. So that's how you host website on Google Workspace. Hope we help.